Introducing our new electronic bidet attachment, a cleaner and more sustainable way for your bathroom experience. So enjoy and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT. Do not compensate your bathroom decor. Elevate it with a luxurious acrylic design with a chrome edge. Easy control with intuitive control. Turn the control to the right for posterior wash. Turn the control to the left for feminine wash. Chrome-plated nozzle allows hygienic use in any situation. Self-nozzle cleaning function also operates before and after every function. It does not require a plumber. VOVO manual bidet provides easy installation. Now, let's move on to the installation guide. These are the necessary components for installation. Please advise the installation manual for correct installation. Turn off the water shutoff valve to stop the water supply. Empty the toilet tank by flushing the water. Remove the existing toilet seat. Remove the existing hose from under the toilet tank. Connect the T-connector and the existing hose. Connect the provided metal hose to the T-connector. Attach the nozzle under the bidet. Put the VOVO manual bidet on the toilet bowl. Connect the metal hose to the bidet. Install the existing toilet seat. Turn on the water shutoff valve to open the water supply, and installation is now complete. Thank you for watching our guide, and always be comfortable with VOVO STYLEMENT.